patient is having the hatta dekhan baba, look at the hands. This is spade like hands and fingers. So you have to ask the patient whether the patient is having any kind of shoe size change or ring size change. And do you have any old photograph? And look at the face of the patient. Patient is having, there is supraorbital ridge is prominent and there is little bit of prognathism. Okay, can you stick out your tongue? Jibbata dekhan baba. Okay, so we have to look for any kind of macroglossia present or not, and you have to look for any kind of surgery inside the nose or in the upper lip. Baba, throat ta ekটু উপরে উঠান তো। Okay, so we have to check, and we have to check for any interdental separation is present or not. Okay, then you have to check for patient is having any kind of proximal